700 years have passed since production of gunpowder was first mentioned in Granada. The Fábrica de Municiones de Granada, as it is now known, has experience that is hard to match. The site covers almost 1 million square meters, with more than 640,000 square meters of manufacturing space and more than 280,000 square meters of warehousing. The main product of the FMG is tank ammunition. Its production started in the 1980s, initially focusing on smaller calibers. Currently, tank ammunition production is based on two calibers, 105 and 120 millimeters. Both meet the strict requirements of STANAG regulation. Daily production capacity is 600 pieces. The production program of mortar ammunition consists of 60, 81 and 120 millimeters calibers. They are filled with TNT and powder charges. Completion, lacquering and final assembly is mainly done by hand, with workers able to complete up to 800 pieces per day. Nitrocellulose is processed at the factory into single and two-based propellants and propellant charges. It produces special M4A2 propellant charges for 155mm caliber artillery ammunition. It consists of approximately 6 kg of M1 single-base propellant, a basic charge and 4 additional initiating charges, which are tied together with textile straps. Conventional HE ammunition is dosed with liquid TNT, while the BFF ammunition is dosed with rigid TNT in the form of rolls. The processing of both types of TNT takes place in the FMG. An essential part of production is the chemical laboratory, where staff analyze all incoming raw materials. The ammunition produced at FMG is thoroughly tested, and they know exactly what it can take. From the moment it leaves the factory, it is exposed to extreme conditions, thanks to special transport simulation equipment. For example, they can see what ammunition looks like after 10,000 kilometers, and thanks to crash tests, they know the durability of individual components. FMG is not only a guarantee of quality, but also of safety. Is there a factory like this anywhere else in the world? FMG, unique in the defense industry.